Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm official Jamia. Let's have some dinner, girl. It's been a long, hot day. I'm hungry. Tonight we having some baked salmon filet, some mushroom rice by Nora's. I'm calling this an asparagus and corn stir fry, or fried corn and asparagus, whatever you want to call it. I bless my food off camera. Let's get into it. Ooh, honey. You want to peek? This is a bourbon glazed. Ooh. Don't worry about it. A bourbon glazed salmon with garlic and onion powder. Homemade, of course. Let me scoot this back so y'all can see. Some corn and asparagus. My hand's shaking. Hope you guys are having a fabulous Thursday. And my baby made me some great Kool-Aid to drink. This summertime, Kool-Aid is the best. Especially when you accidentally burnt your tongue on your rice. Anyway. Woo, chill. Let's blow it this time, y'all. My sidekick is over here having dinner with me today. I love it. She just didn't want to be on camera. I'm going to show y'all something she did I'm super proud of as soon as we finish eating here. Now, as y'all know, I live in like Central Florida. Why is it 9,000 degrees already? And summer don't officially start till Father's Day. Whatever God was cooking in that sun out there is done. Can we turn it off? Because it's hot. It don't make no sense. We went out earlier today to run some errands. And for those who have BJ's and Sam's memberships, y'all know the gas is cheaper at those places. Well, apparently everybody knew. I had to wait 15 minutes. 15 minutes to get gas at BJ's today. That is absolutely ridiculous. Anyone know about? This man had his RV parked in a lane, putting something in the tank, not even gas yet. And I'm standing behind him thinking, okay, are you gonna ever pump gas? I finally got out from behind him, got behind two other cars. Thank God the one in front of me was a Yaris or whatever that thing is, the little tiny clown car from Toyota. It took her all of 10 seconds to fill up her tank. Because that car is like this big. She really just need a Kickstarter because that thing is small. Anyway, I'm gonna leave them people on. That one right. Forgive me, y'all. So by the time I got to the gas pump, this man was still fidgeting, trying to figure out the gas pump for his RV. Now this man looked like he was seasoned and has pumped gas a lot of years. But for some reason, he could not figure out that machine to save his life. He was still there when I left, y'all. He probably still there now. But I don't have air conditioning in my car currently until God blesses me with a new car. We're gonna ride this one till the wheels fall off. So it was hot. My whole internal temperature was set on 127. And when I'm hot, I'm not the nicest person to be around. I had to take off my shoes and socks. First of all, I shouldn't have never left the house in shoes and socks in Florida in the first place. But I wear tennis shoes because it supports my back better than a sandal. That's not important. The important part is I was riding around with no socks and no shoes on because when my feet get hot, my whole body gets hot. So I was on fire. It didn't make no sense. Then my son, for some reason, I don't know if it's a new thing because of the panoramic or the Panda Express or the price garage, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, because of the precaution, my son has gotten into Pokemon Go, the little game on your phone that you can go around the town and find Pokemon. Literally drove him around. I was going through a back neighborhood just to show him a different way to the house. And he was like, "Mom, stop at this park right here." And because I was trying to be a nice mom, and because he don't go out very often with me, so I figured this was our little time to bond. Dark and Lovely had stayed home. So I was like, all right, we'll go and do this, even though I'm on fire. Stop at a couple places. We stopped at this Catholic church that happens to be my stepdad's church. And I don't know if you know anything about Catholic churches, but they have mass multiple times a day. So there was cars in the parking lot. I was so embarrassed. I was like, oh my God, oh my God. He was like, it's by the statue of Mary. I'm like, this is so wrong. We are on holy ground chasing after Pokemon. Y'all help me. I'm a single mom. I gotta do what I gotta do. Anyway, it was entertaining. I am forever feeding my girls. My God. Anyway. Excuse me, y'all. So we had to run a couple more errands, and then there was this apartment complex that he wanted to stop in. And I don't know about y'all. I don't have a real pool. I have a little plastic blow-up pool. But for some reason, that apartment pool was looking mighty inviting. I was like, how can I get into this pool without the people realizing I don't live here? I need to make some friends over there. That's what it is. And use them for their pool. I don't use people though. Y'all, this is all jokes, okay? But the way this heat is set up, I literally came home and took a cold shower. It was that hot. I'm like, come on. So now I know what needs to happen. One, I need to get a water delivery service because that's the main reason why we went out, is to get water for our machine. And it's probably more expensive, but it'll help me from not having to go outside in this heat. Excuse me, y'all. My daughter Kool-Aid choking me to death. The other thing is, can we open stuff at like 5 o'clock in the morning before the sun come up? I would go. Some of them are 24 hours, but I don't know. They water machines scare me for some reason. I don't know. Anyway. I already get my groceries delivered 97% of the time because I hate shopping and I hate going to the store with the 5,000 people. Basically, I need to be rich so I can just have people do this stuff for me. How about that? Let's do that. Let's figure out how to make Jamie rich. So, and I'll take care of other people. I'm not selfish. I'm a very giving and loving person. Okay. I will feed the people. Y'all want some? Okay. I'll clothe the people. I'll even let them come use my pool because it's hot. Note to self, when I get rich, make sure I have an indoor pool because it's hot. I know y'all think I'm slow right now. Yeah. Carrie. This is a quick and simple dinner. So delicious. I sauteed my corn and asparagus with some onions and bacon. With a little pepper. Very good. One day I'm gonna cook dinner for y'all. Don't worry, I'm gonna cook it. And for my friends who watch me on here, y'all already know the deal. Y'all know that girl get down in the kitchen. My God, today. And for those that don't know, you might know one day. Before I let y'all go, we're gonna have a proud mommy moment. Hold on. So, oh yeah. A thing that y'all might not know about me, I like art. I like to sketch things. I'm a type of person who can sit there and look at a picture and sketch it out on a canvas, on a thing. One day I'll show you some of my pictures I've done. So I have like a little bit of artistic ability. Well, apparently I passed that down to my baby. So my room is gonna be painted like a blue and gray theme kind of thing. I want like an accent wall that's kind of a deeper blue and then a lighter gray on the rest of the walls. And my daughter the other night I'm not sure where she found this picture, but she found it on the internet. I'm gonna move this stuff away for a second, guys.
Oh wow.
Hi. And she made something that will match my room. Isn't that cute? And she made one that will match her room, which will be pink and gray once we get everything painted. Isn't that dope? Can y'all see it? Isn't that dope? I love it. I absolutely love these. Like I said, I'm not sure where she sketched it from, but I love it. It represents the plus size woman. It represents curves. It represents being proud of your body, which ladies and gentlemen, we need to be proud of our bodies. So I love it. I'm going to get her to initial it because she needs to sign it for me so I can have it forever and ever. Forever and ever and ever. And I appreciate it. I love it.
You want my autograph?
Yes, I want your autograph. And I'm going to hang it. So when I finish doing my room and painting it, I'll do a little video, maybe a little vlog or something of how the house is coming. I really love these. Isn't it cute? Oh, I'm so proud of her. Anyways, thank you guys for joining me for dinner tonight. I appreciate it. I hope you had a wonderful day, and I hope you have a wonderful evening and a great day tomorrow. It's almost the weekend, guys. I hope you're gonna do something super fun. I plan to do whatever it is to stay cool. Popsicles, Sonic boba slushes, the beach in the middle of the night because it's hot as heck. Ain't nobody trying to be on the sand in the daytime. Anyway, I love you guys. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate it. Share my videos. Share. My shorts have gotten a lot of views. I want those same views on my mukbang. So share. Sharing is caring. Check out all the small YouTubers because we out here, we trying to build you. So anyways, have a wonderful night and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.